Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to delete your account with Immersity AI. In order to do so, first off we want to make sure that we're logged in at immersity.ai, and once we're there we should be met with a screen similar to this. I'm looking at an image that I just generated here. What we're looking for is up at the top right hand corner. You should see your account icon there, and if we click on that, then you can go ahead and select where it says Manage Account. When you find this page here, now here you have your connected accounts because Immersity is going to try to connect with your Google account. So what you can do is you can click here where it says disconnect, and you can disconnect your Google account. If you have signed in with a different email address or a different account, then what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to contact Immersity directly. In order to contact Immersity directly, what we're looking for is under the FAQs. We're going to go ahead and select that. And here you can see that you can click here to contact the support team. So if you want to completely delete your account, then you can contact the support team by just clicking there, and you can send them a message. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.